Hey everyone, my name is Chavarma and I'm here to represent our application named Katha, which is for the people who love crafts. So this is our signing page, which is for the which is for both the stakeholders, that is seller and the buyer. You can use this app. Firstly, they have to sign up this page, and this page is for the emails and password. Here they will get authentication by receiving an OTP. This page is for OTP verification. And after OTP verification, we can add our basic details, that is profile. And after the first completion, we have a thing like you are a buyer or a seller so that you can proceed with the work. Let's suppose this application is used by a seller. If he is a new seller, so what he has to do is register here. Here he can add about his his story, what kind of craft he made. Yeah, they can upload their craft here. After that, they can add complete button. Or if they need any kind of help to proceed with this work, we have this help button. So for if let's suppose he knows everything, so he completed the task and he registered it successfully. So the screen pop up that he registered successfully. After that, the profile will come, and here is the navbar. This is the profile navbar to get the profile details. This is the what chat section. From here, we can chat with the helper who can help with the product or adding things, uploading things, whatever the user wants. This is the search thing. Here, he can search his product, and then the home. This is the home section where he can check the net worth of his after selling the products. This is for the profile pictures, and this is for the list of menus. The menus are like this: his net worth, his net worth. He can check his balance here. And for the recent buyers who just bought their products according to that, this section is for them. This section basically represents his product. From here, he can watch more about the product, what he has written. This is the about product section. From here, we can see the uh, review of this product named as woven based crafting. This is the review thing. And from here, he can check the sales of this product. Then if we get here, he has a one more button that is add more products. Here we can here seller can add more products like this. Add product items like here. If he clicks this, if he don't know how to write the story about the product and need any kind of help, he can click this link and generate stories. And here he can add the cost of the product and every detail about the product, craft, and get added to the list. Yeah, then add product thing. You can directly add from here also. And the review thing, where they can check the reviews of all the products. If he needs any kind of help, he can go here and the new screen will pop up. This screen will lead to a seller to the helper who can help the seller to proceed with this work. But for this, seller needs to write their names to lock themselves, and the screen will pop up that will say use how we can help the seller. We have four options and a chat box section. This chat section is for the user who can directly chat with us and get the help. And this go button is for the specific things. First, for example, he don't know how to build a profile, then he will proceed with this work. And we have many fields. Basically, they have to write if they want to write, or they can say if they don't know how to write. Add the profile thing here. If he don't know the exact location, he can search it out like this and get the location done. Get the location then. After that, if he need the story, then he can click it here and get the story of his. Uh, After that, he can post images and videos of the crafts and get completed. After it get completed, we will show the whole thing what he has done here. So if there is any issue, he can edit his profile here and see. And there is an option for add product. From here, we can add the product and it will do the same thing, the edit profile. And this is the listing of my products. It will show how many products they have. Yeah, and for next thing, it's for the request for updating the profile. That means if we want to edit the profile, so here there's the adding list. From here, seller can edit their profiles. This is for creating the story. If user want to create their own story or the product story, this page will help them to do that. And the last thing is for the request for uploading the product. Here, they can get help to upload their products, about their stories, everything, and get added to the product like this. So if he's done, then he can press the done button and he will directly navigate to his home page. Yeah. Then if he's done with this, then he can sign out and get back to the original thing. Now, if he's a new seller, let's suppose now he's already a signed in thing, then he can be direct. If he do this, if it if the person puts the wrong email, they will pop up the error. The next thing, if it done it right, then we will able to sign in on a new page. Now, let's suppose if we are a buyer, then we have three things. Like we can plan a trip according to the crafts. We can buy online and get assistance if we need any kind of help to buy a product. Let's suppose we need to buy online. This is a list of products we need to buy or we can buy. We can see what kind of product is this, the details, the images, cost about them. Like if about them button, it will navigate to the craftsman name, their story, their product, their whole products, their videos, how they make the product, their little things, the contact details of them, etc. Now, the review about the products, or if we want to write anything about this. If we really like this product and the reviews are really good, we can add this to the product. And this is will like the listing of the wish list we have. Okay. Or he can directly click to the buy now button to buy this product. And this is the page, and this is a short carry he needs to follow because this is a craft thing. Some need some review need to be taken from the bio, and this is the detailed price, the how much cost it will pay, and if he place the order like this, if he like place the order, he will get directed and get returned to the home page. And this is the feed where he can check everything like the videos, the photos of the crafts. If we get the search button, then this is the navigation bar, the home page where they can leave the list of the products, feeds where they can have the multiple things like a photo of the crafts and video of how they make it. The search will contain the search list, like searching here, search history will come. Now, if he clicks the profile, then he will lead to the profile, like the profile of the buyer. You can edit their profile also. Now the menu option is here. Menu option contains the list like the profile, the wish list, the previous orders, the payments and refunds, their cards and rewards. Profile will lead to this page only, and the wish list will contain the all the things they have liked, and move to card will directly move you to this page where they have the selected page and the review thing. And if we get back to this, then this is my orders. This will contain my previous orders and this thing. And payments and refunds will contain this thing. Like if we contain refunds, now we have no refunds. And the payment will contain lead to this page, like Google Pay payment, any payment mode. Next thing will be the my cards. And after this, my cards, here you can add the same thing that previously I told you that thing. Place order, then he will get done. Uh, yeah, this is all I have in this section. Now, if suppose a new thing, like if you want to plan a trip, you can directly go back to trip. Here you have the popular suggestion of trips. You can build trips according to that. This have the trip ideas about it. Build itineraries for the location. You can get the location from here and get back to this place again. The trip images, videos that will make them understand more. Then he can add it to the trips, the popular trips and the my trips get added. Like this is the trip he wants to be there. Yeah, that's it. And the thing is, if he wants to get assistance to assist them with the things, so he will do this. They have three things like trip packages, managers, artisans, and view products. Trip packages is same like he can manage, he can plan their trips from here. Here these things. Build itinerary is like same thing. This the new thing was added. New trip, he can build a new trip, etc. He can get the detail if he wants to create edit trip. Uh, and now suppose this is done. Now he just want to manage this artisan product, like which kind of products that this agency will show, like this here. So he can add to my agency artisans also. Then we have the feed of for this and this. Then here they can view the products according to that, so that they can decide where to go. Then we can add it to the trip. Then we have search menu also. From here you can search and the profile. Yeah. Then after that he can get back to this page. Again, the all of things are done. Then the user can simply sign out and he will get redirect to the welcome page again. So yeah, thank you. This is our product. This is our application would help both the buyer and seller to be in the same application and get their work done. Seller can sell their crafts here, and buyer can get the craft from here only. And they can also plan a trip according to the crafts, the craft person, anything. They can see the story, create stories, everything. So yeah.